Corinne Krista B. Oro, second honors from grade 6. Bea May Gomez from grade 6 and other advanced students.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after us for the pledge of loyalty. As a beautiful child, the keeper of the flame of truth, I promise to preserve my faith, to give praise and glory to the Creator. So imitate the good, and practice what is right, to show kindness, love and charity. As a member of the family of learners, of Saint Anthony of Makati Montessori Incorporated, I promise to cherish the teachings of this institution, in Christ Jesus, through the intercession of Saint Anthony, so help me God.